Did you know that the anti-aging industry is exploding right now, with experts predicting it'll hit a jaw-dropping $331 billion by 2025? Everyone's obsessed with staying youthful, and luxury brands are cashing in big time. Today, we're zooming in on Dior Prestige Le Nectar Premier, a $620 serum that promises to slash wrinkles by 9 years in just 1 month. But hold up, can a fancy bottle of rose-powered magic really deliver luxury skincare results that wild? We're about to crack this open with some serious science, so if you're dying to know if this is the holy grail of anti-aging secrets, stick with me. Time's ticking, this exclusive deep dive starts now. Today's star is Dior Prestige Le Nectar Premier, a high-end serum that's got beauty lovers buzzing. This little bottle claims it's the ultimate weapon against aging, using something called the Rose de Granville bud to tackle wrinkles, boost radiance, and smooth your skin like nobody's business. But at $620 for just 30 milliliters, it's a major splurge. So, what's the deal? Is it a game changer or just a pretty package with big promises? We're going to dissect every drop, from the ingredients to the chemistry, and figure out if it's worth your hard-earned cash. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our crew. We're all about getting real with skincare. So, what's Dior Prestige Le Nectar Premier all about? Dior says the serum is a total vibe, packed with the earliest vitality of Rose de Granville buds fancy, right? They've whipped up something called Rosapeptide Premier to go after what they call the age signal. Now, you're probably wondering, what the heck is an age signal? Dior describes it as the secret trigger behind aging, messing with your skin's volume, texture, and glow. Their big claim? This serum can make deep wrinkles look 9 years younger and expression lines 7 years smoother in just 30 days, plus make your skin 3 times silkier. Sounds like a dream, but here's the catch. These stats come from a dermatologist's test on only 31 women and self-reports from 33 others. Tiny sample size, huh? That's why we're not stopping here. We're digging into the science to see if this holds up. Let's pop the lid and talk ingredients, because that's where the real story lives. The VIP here is the Rose de Granville bud extract, the heart of this Rosapeptide Premier complex. Roses aren't just for bouquets. They're loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory goodies that fight off aging culprits like oxidative stress. Dior's gone all out, harvesting these buds at peak freshness with a high-tech magnetic eco-extraction trick to supercharge their power. Cool, but does it erase 9 years of wrinkles? Studies on rose extracts say they're great for protecting skin, but there's no solid proof this specific one delivers those insane results. So, it's promising, but maybe not that promising. Then we've got ascorbyl glucoside, a stable version of vitamin C. This stuff's a rock star. It brightens your skin and pumps up collagen, which keeps wrinkles at bay. There's also sodium hyaluronate and hyaluronic acid, hydration heroes that soak your skin in moisture to plump it up and smooth out lines. Hydrolyzed soy flour sneaks in with isoflavones. Think of them as plant-based estrogen mimics that might boost elasticity. Adenosine chills out your facial muscles to soften wrinkles, and dipeptide foretells your skin to crank out more collagen. Oh, and don't sleep on Malva sylvestris and Avena sativa extracts. They're like a calming spa day for your face, reducing redness and irritation. But here's a curveball: sodium stearoyl glutamate. It's usually in cleansers, not serums, acting as a gentle surfactant. It's safe, but why is it here? Could it irritate some folks? Probably not a big deal, but it's quirky. Overall, this lineup's got hydration, antioxidants, and peptides, solid players for anti-aging. But that age signal thing? It's a Dior buzzword with no clear science behind it. They've got patents, but patents don't equal proof. So, the ingredients rock, but the big claims? Kind of fuzzy. Let's talk chemistry. Don't worry, I'll keep it fun and simple. First up, ascorbyl glucoside, our vitamin C buddy. Picture free radicals as tiny skin wreckers, zapping your cells and making you age faster. Vitamin C swoops in like a superhero, tossing electrons at those bad guys to shut them down. Plus, it's a cheerleader for collagen, helping your skin build a bouncy, firm base. How cool is that? Next, hyaluronic acid and sodium hyaluronate are like sponges. They grab water from the air and your skin's deeper layers, locking it in to plump everything up. Wrinkles? Smoothed out. Dryness? Gone. It's instant hydration gratification. Then there's adenosine, which chats with your skin cells' receptors, telling your facial muscles to chill. Less tension means fewer lines. Think of it as Botox light, but without the needles. And peptides like dipeptide 4, they're tiny messengers yelling, hey, skin, make more collagen. Collagen's the scaffolding that keeps your face tight and youthful, so more of it is always a win. These ingredients team up to shield, hydrate, and rebuild your skin. Science says they can totally help you look fresher. But 9 years younger in a month? That's a stretch. Skincare's a long game, not an overnight miracle. So, how does Dior stack up against other Luxe serums? Let's do a quick showdown. La Mer the Concentrate at $500 for 30 milliliters brings marine magic with Chondrus crispus and Camellia sinensis. Think soothing and antioxidant vibes. It's a legend, but its formula vibes similar to Dior's hydration focus. Then there's Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, a steal at $105 for 30 milliliters, with glycyrrhiza glabra and caffeine for repair and glow. It's a crowd pleaser that punches above its price. Lancome Genifique, also $105 for 30 milliliters, uses probiotic tech to wake up your skin's youthfulness, another hydration heavy hitter. Dior's edge is that Rose de Granville and its patented complex, but here's the tea, it's not reinventing the wheel. And no retinoids? That's a miss for hardcore anti-aging fans. Retinoids are the gold standard. Still, if you dodge retinoids for sensitivity, Dior's gentler vibe might be your jam. Let's zoom out and judge the whole package. This serum's got a killer combo of moisturizers and emollients. Your skin's going to feel soft and pampered, no question. The antioxidants and peptides are a solid flex for anti-aging, and Dior's gone hard on texture, with 7 temperature-controlled steps for a luxe feel that melts right in. That's some next-level effort. Plus, the sustainability angle, refillable packaging, and eco-friendly rose farming scores big points in 2025's green beauty boom. But here's the shade. That age signal claim feels like a marketing fairy tale. No studies define it outside Dior's world, so it's more hype than fact. No retinoids is another ding. If you want max wrinkle-fighting power, you might feel shortchanged. And $620? Oof, that's a lot when other serums deliver similar perks for less. It's a bougie treat, but the bang for buck ratio is debatable. So, what's the final word? Dior Prestige Le Nectar Premier is a luxe vibe, great ingredients, plush texture, and some anti-aging cred. The Rose de Granville and sustainability are dope bonuses if you're into exclusivity and eco-love. But those wild claims, 9 years off wrinkles, age signal, magic, don't fully hold water without more proof. The science is legit for hydration and repair, but don't expect a time machine in a bottle. If you're all about treating yourself to a high-end experience, this might be your pick. But if you're chasing the best value, there are cheaper options that slap just as hard. What do you think? Would you drop $620 on this? Tried it already? Thanks for hanging out, Skincare fam. If this deep dive helped you decode Dior's serum, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We've got tons more coming your way. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you splurge or are you skeptical? I want to hear it all. Catch you in the next one. Stay glowy.